low taste. I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be sharing with you a facial skincare routine, basically. So I'm going to give myself a nice little facial, steaming and all of that jazz. So I'm going to share with you everything that I'll be doing, because I noticed I've been seeing, no, I actually not been seeing, I saw these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 little like pimples. Not really pimples, but you know, I can sense that maybe from an irritation or something. Yeah, but maybe by tomorrow they'll go away. So I really want to do this routine right now, so to get my skin back in order, because I have been doing my skincare, but I've been relaxing a little bit, and you don't want to be relaxing when you need to take care of your skin. So this is what we're going to be doing. I'm going to actually see what I can do in order to get my face to look a little bit more refined, refreshed, hydrated, and to get my pores looking really nice. Okay, all right, so that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so the first thing I usually do when I want to do my little spa skincare routine, I usually go for a cleanser. I'm going to be using the 𝐒𝐈𝐆𝐍 SA cleanser today, because today is going to be a renewing skincare routine, basically like a spa routine. So I'm going to use this to cleanse my skin, and yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to have to get out, leave and wash up my face, so you'll see me leaving and coming back to just show you what we're doing. So this is the cleanser. So I'm going to pour out 1 squirt and a half, because you actually only need 1 squirt. So I'm going to rub it up in my hand. Yeah, let's get it nice and foamy. Put in a little power in your hand. You can actually wash your face, or you should actually wash your face, but I want to wash my face because I'm gonna have to leave the room. So this is how I usually wash. Start right here on the cheeks, right here. And what I'm going to do now, I'm going to turn on the steamer, and I'm just going to kind of steam while I'm cleansing, and this just helps the skin to soften a bit. Okay, so this is what we're doing. We're doing a steam cleanse. Yeah, we're doing a steam cleanse. So basically I'm steaming while I am cleansing, and this just helps to open up the pores or to soften the skin actually while I'm cleansing. I'm just using my hand now to basically rub the areas where I want to clean. And I'm just doing this, and I just love also the steamer. I love it because it actually helps to clear up my sinus. So that's an actual benefit. It helps with clearing up the sinus. And I'm just rubbing it here under the chin, massaging it a little bit. Give it nice 60 seconds. And I'm going to rinse my face in a few. Okay guys, so what I'm gonna do now, I'm gonna dry the face. Just pat dry it a bit. Let me use this towel. Alright, so after that I'm going to go in with this is a lime moisture peeling gel from 𝐼𝐈𝐆𝐍. Yeah, the lime moisture peeling gel. It contains AHAs, lime, grape, orange, apple, and lemons. 5 different fruits, and it's supposed to be like a peeling kind of gel. Alright, so I'm going to turn on this again, what's this called? The steamer. And I'm going to apply the gel. You're going to see the consistency of the gel. It's very jelly like, but when you rub it up on your skin, it's going to give you a peeling effect. But it's not cleanser, it's just a peeling gel. But you'll see. So it's kind of like an AHA, but not really an AHA. So it's gonna peel, it's going to turn into balls and peel. So while I'm rubbing the peeling gel on my face, give it a gentle exfoliation. My skin is also softening, so it's easier to do anything. Okay. Just steaming a little bit. Steaming a little bit.
I drink my water, get my sun, visit the ocean. I pour into myself until I'm overflowing. This isn't hoping, it's in the knowing.
So basically, my skin is nice and feels good. No, so it's cleansed, and then I apply the peeling gel to remove any excess dead skin. So right now I'm going to, because I'm not going to apply any chemical exfoliant, I'm going to dry the face, and I'm going to apply a sugar polish, so face polish. So that's going to basically deal with the texture. So if there's any little texture or anything on my skin, it's just going to give it a nice polish basically. So this is the polish, as you can tell. So I'm going to use about this much. You're actually supposed to use a spatula, but I don't know where the spatula is, so I'm just going to use my fingers and just going to remove that much. Rub it a little bit, apply to the skin, and just gently guys, gently rub the face. Your love me go. Oh, I found. Gently guys, ever so gently. Okay guys, so my skin feels real nice and soft. So I really love this. So I'm not gonna dry my face, I'm just going to allow the steam to just steam it. And then after that, I go in with my skincare products. You see, I'm almost finished. Now it's time to steam. Come up a little bit closer. Yeah. And this also helps with my nasal cavity, or the nasal area going up to the nose, nasal tube. It helps to actually clear it up a bit. And then the steaming now just softens my skin a bit, and you know, it just helps to allow the product that I'm going to apply to it to really penetrate. So I'm not using any physical exfoliant, just basically physical. I'm not using any chemical exfoliant, just physical exfoliants. But the steaming is supposed to help. And I'm just going to cover the AirPods that I'm currently wearing now, just so that the moisture doesn't get in the AirPod and damage it. So yeah. Oh, this feels so good. Oh.
So I know peace, know I'm sacred, so divine.
Oh, so guys, this is so nice. The silver silence on my feet. In every season, unchanging. Okay, I think that's enough. Okay guys, so my face feels so nice. I'm gonna get a paper towel this time, and we're going to dry the face. Whoa, in the storm you appear. Let me go, and I know that it is so. Okay, so this is the skin, nice and soft. The next thing we're going to do is I'm going to go in with this one. This one is a rice toner from I'm going to apply this to my cotton pad. So it's nice and hydrated. After I use this, apply this one as my liquid exfoliant, or toner, not exfoliant, liquid toner. I'm going to apply an essence, and this is the Rovectin Skin Essentials Activating Treatment Lotion. This is going to help with extra hydration. Super thick and viscous. Yeah, it's a very viscous toner. That's the reason why I like it, because it's nice and thick. Oh, and it has this very calming scent, but it doesn't have fragrance, but it has a scent. It's just natural and clean. This one is similar to this. It's literally the same thing. And I know that it is so. So look at my face now. Can you see how nice and hydrated it looks? This is a caffeine solution from The Ordinary. Oh, and we are going to take that under the eyes. Your love won't let me go. You have spoken, and I know that it is so. Alright, so this is the skin. Looking good. Alright, so I'm going to apply my salicylic acid, because you know we're dealing with pores, and the salicylic acid actually helps with pore care. So I'm gonna take one on the cheek, close it, and then we're just going to apply it in the areas of concern. Forehead. And then just use my fingers to just massage it in. Alright, so this is our face after the salicylic acid. We're gonna go with the Mary and May Ide Benon Blackberry Intense Cream. I want to take some of that. Because I applied salicylic acid. Yeah, so I'm gonna take this much. And with this cream, you don't really have to add a lot. Alright, so I'm going to apply this now. This is my Laneige lip sleeping mask berry. It's nice thick consistency. Yeah, you can have my okay guys, so this is the finish, face, lips, everything. So I just have on my lip cream or mask tonight just to soften my lips, and probably by tomorrow my skin will feel a little bit better as opposed to 2 days ago. So I really feel good and feel nice going to bed now. My skin feels free and breathable, and I can just feel good while I'm in bed. Hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, and see you in the next one. Bye bye.